Hey guys, welcome to another edition of Books, Business, and Branding with your girl, Ashley M. King. I am a writer and a self-publishing strategist, founder of Get It Done Publishing. And today's topic is ebooks and why the platform matters when it comes to your ebook. So this video is inspired by an L that I had. I don't call them losses, I call them lessons. I had a discovery session with a young lady, and as we were talking, she informed me that she wanted to do a print book and an ebook on Amazon. Well, she said, I want the print book to be on Amazon, and I want to do an ebook. So, of course, in my mind, I'm thinking, okay, she wants to do a print book and ebook on the Amazon platform. And as we began, talking, I was giving her the prices and stuff. And then she was like, great, because I want to be a part of my brand, offer it to my clients. I want to be able to upload it to Google Drive. And I was like, okay, well, you could do that with, a EPUB file, I guess, nothing wrong with that. I just want to be able to track my clients. And then I want them to be able to, I want it fillable so they can type in. I was like, okay, well, I guess the Kindle Scribe came out just recently, so maybe a lot of her clients have that. Okay, cool. And then I want drop down. I wanted to be able to drop, and that just kind of threw me off. And so I was like, well, I don't think that's possible. It was just, I'm not the type of person that's just going to sell your dream, like, sure, and then I know that it's not going to work out just so I can take your money. So I was like, yeah, I don't think that's going to work out. And then after some further, conversation, I realized that she wanted an ebook for her, I guess, I'm saying for her website per se. The format for the ebook she wanted wasn't the type of ebook for the Amazon platform. So this is very important that whether you are the client or the strategist, you ask the appropriate questions. So I'm going to talk about the two ebooks that are out here. One, you have the one that most people are familiar with is the Amazon ebook, which is generally the EPUB file. They no longer do Mobi. And then they have the KPF file, which is the Kindle Kindle package format, which is new to me. So I'm going to learn that, but that is one specifically for Kindle. So I'm going to study that a little bit more. And then you have the ebooks that a lot of people, business owners, are kind of familiar with if they're selling from their website and it's just a PDF. So I'm going to show you I guess my workbook that I created on Canva. And this is ideally what she was referring to. All right, so as you can see here, this is the Get It Done workbook, a step-by-step guide to becoming a self-published author. You see, this right here is pretty much an ebook. It is my digital version for this workbook, in which after you have it in Canva, you can upload it to another software to make this fillable. Even if, I had drop-down options here, I can do that. That's not necessarily something that the Kindle would do. So the Kindle Scribe does offer write-in, but that literally just came out 2-3 months ago. All right, so enough of that. You see the type of ebook that I am referring to. Okay, so ebook on Amazon, like I was saying, is usually EPUB or KPF file. They did launch the Kindle Scribe that came out in November 30th. It's February, so December, January, February, 2.5, 3 months. That is fairly new. The thing about this, that it is still black and white, so it does not offer any color or anything of that nature. So if you are wanting to use this for, an ebook to a children's book or anything like that, is not going to show up in color. It is pure black and white. And then generally how you get the EPUB version, or even I guess the KPF version, is just a Word document, and then you format it using a software over to EPUB. So that's generally that. Now, the ebook that I just shown you, that's generally for a PDF. You upload that to your website, and it's usually an instant download that you don't have to manually send, generally, depending on how your website is set up. In addition to just the PDF, you can make it fillable in Dropdown. There are softwares out there that create your PDF, you upload it to there, and then you highlight the section that's going to make it fillable, as well as offer the drop-down option. And it's in color. So if you are looking to offer that type of experience where your clients or your readers has, it's in color, it has your brand, and, it really pops and catches the eye, then you want to use, a PDF version that's created in Canva, InDesign, Photoshop, even PowerPoint, right? So long as it's something that you can convert to a PDF, maybe even create some boxes that you want to fill in, then you can, create an ebook using those various platforms. So the most important thing that I can think of right now is when you say you want to create an ebook, what is the platform that you want to publish it on? Because if it's going to be on Amazon, then of course you're going to do an EPUB file or the KPF file. It does have its limitations. It's black and white. You on the Kindle Scribe, they can annotate. Honey, they can write and take notes on the Kindle Scribe, but once again, that is something new, and everyone might not have that. That feature isn't available on a Kindle. And then, like I said, black and white. Now, if you want it on PDF, of course, you can have it in color. There's an additional step if you want it to be fillable, as well as drop down, and it has its limitations if you decide to put it over to EPUB file, because hopefully it's flowable, but then at the same time, it doesn't always show up right. I think the Kindle Scribe is like a 10.2 inches. And, maybe if you're doing an 8.5, or depending on the layout of your book, it might not show up properly. So the most important thing that one can ask when stating that you want to do an ebook is the platform that you are going to publish it on, and as well as I guess its purpose, like its use. How do you want them to use it? Do you want them to be able to write in, drop down, or just read and take notes? So thank you so much for allowing me to share I'm so tongue-tied today. Thank you all for allowing me to share my L for today, not my losses, but my lesson. And I thank y'all so much for tuning in. If you want to book a complimentary discovery call with me to talk about your self-publishing needs, my link is down below. Thank you so much for tuning in. Have a blessed day.